What is grid-tie solar system? The term grid-tied is also known as grid-connected or on-grid. Grid-tied solar PV system is an arrangement of your solar panel connection wherein electricity can be drawn from the traditional utility grid or main line as well as from the solar panels. It implies if you are installing grid-connected solar panel system at home, solar is not the only source of electricity. It also means that the house doesn't run out of power. When the solar panels aren't producing enough electricity, the system can import the shortfall from the grid. In this system, the inverters convert direct current generated by the solar panels to alternating current or AC equivalent to the voltage of the grid power. The electricity produced by the solar system is first used to power the home. Surplus power, which is not consumed in the home, is automatically exported to the electricity grid via a bidirectional meter, which results in reduction of power bills. Suppose, if your solar system produces 20 units in one day, and if you use only 10 units at home, then the balance 10 units is sent to the state power company, which results in savings in your electricity bill. In case there is a power cut, the inverter stops to function as a safety feature. It is known as anti-islanding. This system doesn't have battery backup, so during power cut, you will not have access to power. Hence, this system can be used in area where there is rare or very less power cut.